Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are doing great. In this quick video, I'll show you how to enable macros in Microsoft Excel, perfect for automating tasks and boosting your productivity. Let's dive right into it. First, you have to open your Microsoft Excel and where your macros is turned on. If macros are disabled, you will usually see a yellow security warning below the ribbon. Click enable content or enable macros to allow macros to run. If this pop-up doesn't appear, you can simply go to the top and click on the Excel and click on the preference tab. Here you can click on the security. As you can see, here are different options called enable all macros or disable all macros with notification is selected. Make sure it is selected. This will let you control macro permissions. Remember, only enabling macros from trusted source to keep your files safe. Otherwise, it can be hacked or can be used for wrong means. And that's how you can enable macros in Microsoft Excel. Super quick and easy. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and comment with any questions you have and subscribe for more helpful Excel tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.